Welcome to Selenium Setup in your PC part 4. Yeah, in the previous video I just mentioned that what do you mean by project? Project is nothing but it's a collection of packages. Package is nothing but a collection of class or abstract class or interface, and class is nothing but it's a collection of method or test engine method, and method means it's a collection of data members and functionality. That's fine. How it is going to be in the real time? Let's see that. Okay, boss. Time being, I'm going to create only Java project. Okay, in the Eclipse I just opened here, file, new, here. If you didn't find here, go to the others and type Java and you will find this Java project. Okay, click on the next. You can type the project, any project name. For example, here is Selenium, something, any name, Selenium project. Okay, my keyboard is something trouble, that's what it is, it is displaying the wrong spelling. Okay, so this is the project name. Here is, what is this actually, what is the execution environment? You are looking for JDK or JRE, you have to select it here. Okay, so here is, I'm using the default Java SC 1.8 I'm using here. It's a JRE I'm using here. I'm clicking on the next. Finish. Okay, I created the project. Okay, first point is done. What about the next one? The term is saying this collection of packages. Here, just to create new package. I am creating the package name is test cell. Just one package name. You can create n number of packages also, no issue. Okay, I created one package. What about the next one? Collection of class. Package is nothing but a collection of class. I am going to create one test ng class. Right click, new, other, test ng. Again, generally, boss, I will be creating Java class only. You are going to create the test ng class. Yes. So, to automation perspective, for automation perspective, you always need to create the test ng class. Okay, next. Okay, what is the test I am going to do right now? I am going to perform some kind of sample testing. Okay, fine. And here also I am going to create the XML.xml. Okay, again you will be getting, boss, why you are creating this XML? Because your suite needs to run with the help of this sample. You can run with the help of the class name as well. You can run with the help of the XML also, testng.xml. This is the testng.xml. Okay, finish. Okay, your class is getting created here. There is a lot of errors coming. Resolve it. If you hover the mouse, you will get the suggestion JUnit 4, JUnit 5. Which one you want? You want only test ng. Select. Okay. So what do you want to test? Your test case name is verify Google is getting opened or not. Where we can write the test case? Delete the F and write the name as verify Google application is opening or not. Again, people will be getting doubt. Boss, why you are putting the underscore? Make the habit of putting the underscore. Don't put the space. Okay. And what about how to do that actually? You should start like, WebDriver, driver. Okay, and hover the mouse. Here is nothing, there is no suggestion over here, right? There is no WebDriver. You already everything downloaded and kept it here, in this here, but there is no mapping. How to do the mapping? Go to select the project, right click, go to the build path, configure build path, go to the library, add external jar. So what are the things I told? This one is needed. Second one is Selenium Java. Select all, open, apply, close. Now hover the mouse, you will get the suggestion. You will get the suggestion. org.openqa.selenium. Done. Okay, fine. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Now okay, first I am running, we will get some exception, then we'll resolve it. Okay, instead of directly putting the hard coded value, I am running, you will get the error. From the error we will learn it. Okay, right click, run as test engine test. The error is showing clearly here. What is that? The path to the driver executable must be set. It is saying this, path to the driver executable. What is the path to the driver executable? Path to the driver executable. We are running this Chrome driver, or we are planning to launch the browser with the help of the, we are planning to launch the Chrome browser with the help of the Selenium test, right? So to open the Chrome browser we need the exe. That's what it is saying actually. But you are missing this particular exe. Where is the exe here? Here you go. We already downloaded and kept it here. Just right click, go to the property, here, copy the whole thing. Right click, copy. Okay, fine. System dot set property WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Done. Now we'll run the same program again. Right click, run as test engine test. Now see, the error is gone right now. Now see, the browser is getting launched, right?